All right, so what we've got here, my name is Zach. I'm at Additive America here in Kinston, North Carolina. I'm gonna kind of show you what goes on with this printer. So what you've got going on here is every layer, every 8 seconds or so, you've got this print carriage that runs from the right side to the left side and back. Then the print bed drops 3/1000ths of an inch, smooths over a thin layer of fresh powder, and then right back over again with another drop down of fusing and detailing agent. That's how the whole thing works. That's how the machine knows where to fuse powder together and create a part, and where to not fuse a powder and not create a part. So that's a little bit, it's kind of like taking a movie and it's playing out one frame every 8 seconds, if that makes sense. Just to kind of give you an idea of the way that they sort of set up the parts. This is just a cross section, a layer showing you what goes into. So that's what it's printing each time it comes across. This is showing you a heat map of what's going on the inside, and then an overall view of your build so you can check and see what you have going on. That whole thing is going to happen inside the actual printer in a build unit. The build unit is on wheels. We'll take it out of the printer and transition it over here to the post-processing station. In this processing station, what we'll do, we wheel the build unit up into the machine here. This machine is used for reclaiming powder that is around the parts that were built. So we use 80% recycled powder, 20% new powder in each build. And this is where we will basically cool the build back down from the heat that it's enduring over there in the printer, get it down to more of a room temperature, extract parts, clean up the powder, and then go ahead and load powder back into the build units here and get it ready to go into the printer for another print. So that's pretty much how the printer works itself. Things that come out of the machine, what we're making with it, a lot of prosthetic sockets. These are very dynamic. They are developed from a scan, so we're taking a patient's limb, doing a 3D scan, and then using that scanned model in a computer to create a custom, one-of-a-kind prosthesis. Think of it as if you could go and get a custom one-off tennis shoe just for your foot. That's what we're trying to provide for these folks. So that's some of the groundbreaking stuff that we're doing here in Kinston, and this is some stuff that there's not a lot of companies, if any, in the world that are really doing this right now. So we're pretty excited about it. Thrilled to have it in Eastern North Carolina, and thanks for having us. We really appreciate that as well. So.